In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pre-sell online course page on Thinkific. Pre-selling is a great way to validate interest, fund production, and start building momentum before your course is finished. We'll walk through creating the course shell, setting your pre-sell price, and switching the course to pre-order so people can pay now and get access when you're ready to launch. First, sign in to your Thinkific admin. From your dashboard, head to Products, then Courses, and click the New Course button. Give your course a clear working title so learners immediately understand the topic and outcome. Save it, and you'll land in the course builder. Don't worry about building every lesson right now. A draft course is perfectly fine for pre-selling. At this stage, focus on the essentials your prospective students will see. A concise course description that explains who the course is for, the transformation they'll achieve, and when the content will be available. If you have a cover image or brand colors, add them to make the page feel professional. Thinkific will keep everything in draft until you're ready to publish. Next, set your pre-sell price. In the course editor, open the Pricing tab. Choose the pricing type that best fits your launch plan, such as a one-time payment or a subscription. Enter your pre-sell price and save. A clear early bird price can reward early supporters and give you valuable validation. Remember, Thinkific requires a price if you want people to pay to pre-order. If you plan to collect payments, make sure your payment gateway is connected in your site settings so checkout works smoothly. You can always adjust the price later for your full launch. Finally, switch the course to pre-order. In the Course Builder, go to the Publish tab and select Pre-order instead of Published, then Save. Pre-order status lets visitors check out and reserve their spot while keeping the lessons locked until you publish the course. It's a good idea to communicate your expected release date in the course description and confirm what buyers should expect, like access timing and any bonus materials. After saving, preview your course landing page to make sure everything reads clearly and try a test checkout in a private browser window. That's it. You've created the course, set a pre-sell price, and enabled pre-order. Share your course link, gather early enrollments, and use the feedback to shape your final curriculum before you go live.